How to fix Face ID has been disabled on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you're getting this error, a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera and the Face ID has been disabled, then here is the 3 easy troubleshooting guides to fix the problem. Well, to not fix the problem, first thing first, go ahead and take your Face ID settings. Open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on accessibility. And from the accessibility, you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the Face ID and attention. Go ahead and tap on this one and make sure 3 of these options are enabled. First, go ahead and enable the required attention for Face ID and then attention error features and also haptics on successful authentication. And once you have enabled this feature, just get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on screen time and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction and turn up the restrictions from here. And once you have turned up this one, just get back to your home screen and then restart your iPhone. Once you can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart, and tap on the restart button in order to restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then here is the last 2 things that you guys can follow. Open up the settings once again and then scroll down, tap on general and tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. But if you don't find an update, just get back to the general once again and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings and then put your passcode and then go and tap on reset all settings. But make sure this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default, and this will fix your problem as well. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.